I'm opening my first piece of brand new rolling stock that I've ever purchased. So I got this from my local hobby shop, and I think I got a really good deal on it. I mean, Walthers website shows that this MRSP for this should be around $34.99, so it was a penny off at the store. Plus, my local hobby shop offered $10 off for their Christmas special, so I thought this would be the perfect purchase for my railroad. So I'm modeling 2021 on my layout, and that is obviously a modern date for model railroads. And you're probably wondering why I have a Missouri Pacific Lines 60-foot auto parts boxcar. Well, simply put, I've seen some of these rolling down the main line here in my hometown. I'm definitely going to have to do some weathering on this bad boy, but I saw this at the hobby shop and I was excited. Wow, take a look at the detail on this thing. Look at the hoses and the lines. You know what? That right there I find very cool. How the coupler, like, these are body mounted couplers, but the body mounts move. So if I move this like that, I guess that's designed like that to help it stay on track. Maybe because it's a 60-footer.
Are you listening?